Yeah.
So you can use Google Colab, and you have Google Colab, you can use Google Colab, and so you can sign in the using the Gmail account. So I sign in using the Gmail account. But also one way is there, we already installed the Python IDLE. So you can go to the applications now. In the applications, you can open the Python. So both the ways are possible. What is the use of this one? Google Colab. Google Colab, you can easily work on that and you can easily do it. Okay. And here in the Python, here actually if you have working on this, you can use this one also. Okay. Let's start now. I'll just increase the screen this one actually. Visible now perfectly.
सर आई थिंक स्क्रीन शेयर बंद हो गया है.
1 second, 1 second. It's already there actually. I haven't, okay, sorry. I haven't shown my screen, I think. Yeah. Just check now. This is what the Google
Yes,
Colab.
sir.
Yeah. This is what the Google Colab actually. Where you can use welcome to good Google Colab and log in using the Gmail account. Whatever the Gmail account you have. Serious, you can just easily go Google Colab and search it here Google Colab. The first link will come Google Colab. You can see I already have an account anyway. So if you don't have an account, you can create it very easily. Welcome to Colab, and here you can use using the your Gmail account. You can log in. If it is not, you can use the Python ideally as well. Okay. If you're not okay with also, you can use a Python ideally as well. So both are easy actually, and you can use this one also. But this is more convenient. If you want, I will try to give an example actually. If you go to File, I'll click on the new notebook in Drive. Advantage is that actually every whatever I'm writing the code, it will be saved automatically in Drive. So I don't need to save anything in the Drive. So for example, I'm starting the list concept now. I will use ## list in Python. Okay. Make sure that you should select the text actually. Then you can write here, double click list in Python and close it. You can say, and here you can add one more the hashtag. It will be smaller, and one more hashtag will be smaller, again smaller. You can see only one big hashtag will be big headline. Okay, only you can see bigger the headline. Suppose if I'm putting the 5 hashtag actually. Okay, now you can see headline is very small. Anyway, now suppose your list in Python, I can write in that list is, so list is what actually here variable contained only one value. Okay, but list can contain multiple values. Example, one bag you have, in that bag you're putting multiple things, but only one bag is holding all the things. The same way list also. Okay, list is holding the all the values. Okay, clear now? So list is the mutable. Do you know what is mutable? Anyone know? Hmm?
Change.
Right. Here actually mutable in the sense we can change, edit everything. In the Python, if you see, when you want to modify and you want to rename, when you want to change everything, that is what mutable. No, it is not able to change, it is fixed. That is what immutable. Immutable means what? It cannot change. So in a mutable, I can do any changes. Immutable, I cannot do any changes. Okay. So list is mutable. In the sense, list, I can do modifications, I can add, delete, create, anything I can do in the list. And in a list we will use square bracket. Okay, we will use what? Square bracket. So make sure that remember the square bracket. If you not remember that, for the every list tuples set, every for that we have a different square brackets. We are using, suppose list, now we will using the square bracket now. Okay, now I'll just close it here. You can just see that. Now can you give an example that you're telling the list. See, now suppose example here I'm writing the students. Okay, is equal to, and my student's name is Kavya. Now you tell me if I'm writing Kavya this way is okay, or I'm writing Kavya this way is okay. Which one is correct way? Tell me fast.
Before.
Before,
Before
huh?
one.
You won't tell me this one is correct or that one is correct.
So this one.
Okay, why this one is correct? Tell me. Because we are writing the text. If I am writing the number, it is not required single or double. Okay, single inverted or double inverted comma not required that, because I'm writing the name. So for example, I'm writing the name called Kushi. Okay, let's write Kushi now. Okay, but if I'm not using the single or double, then what happened? This Kushi will not consider as a text. I will tell you, repeat again. For any number, we will use what? If you are writing a name or a text, we will use single or double. You can use double also, you can use single also. Anything is fine. Okay. Next, now you can add a name called Amit, then Sachin, then tell me Kushi.
So you have written wrong spelling of my. It's KHUSHY.
Okay, okay, not an issue now. I'll correct it. Is correct now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So Kushi, then Sachin, then BHAVY Bhavya, then we have Sujit, then we have Ramesh, then we have Suresh, then Pooja, then Shweta, okay, and then Ramya. So lots of names I mentioned that. But one thing you can see, all the names I putting in the single quotes. Now you can just execute now. It will run. First you should know here it should be connected. Here if it is not connected, it will not come. So here I am connected now. I am getting that green color tick mark. When you getting the green color tick mark means what? It is connected. The server it is connected, and you can see the students has been executed. Example, if I am writing the code again, and here if you here you want to add the code also, you can add this way also, and also you can add the code also in the middle, you can add this way also. Okay, now you can write students here, then execute that, you get the all the names now. Getting now? Everyone tell me. Getting now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can just click on this line. When you click on this line, we get the code and text. You can add the code now. Now you can students. Suppose here we all are aware about that. Suppose if I want a Ramya, what will be the index number? Basically, in the Python, index number starts with 0. If I am putting here the text now, okay, I'll put a hashtag or you can put a star mark. In a Python, index number starts with 0. We are agree with that. But here one more thing we have to remember that first will come this way. Okay, 0, 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, the index number starts with like that. And suppose you want to go with minus also, we can go with minus as well. But in the if you're doing in the minus, first it will come -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now you may be surprised what is this the index number and all. You'll get to know that. Don't worry. Suppose if I'm writing students, now I want Kavya. Kavya is my what index number? Tell me that.
Zero.
Zero.
Why 0? Tell me. Because Kavya
Index number
is
starts
0.
with zero.
Kushi is what? 1. Amit is what? 2. So if you just execute that, Kavya is get. Suppose if I'll do the same way, okay, I'll add the code here that now what I'll do that students uh, now this time I want Sujit, then what will my index number be?
Five.
Okay, I'll use a 5. I'll execute that. Let's go for difficulty level. You are okay with that? Now this time
Yes.
what we can do that I want the names from Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. These 3 names only I'm expecting that. Not much more names. Tell me now.
6, 7, 8, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Three.
Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. So how I want these 3 names only I want.
Two. Two.
Tell me fast.
Two.
Okay, 2. How it is 2? Tell me, ma'am.
Index number starts with zero, right? Zero, one, two.
So 2 is to come with Amit, right? I want Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. I want what I want. Tell me. Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. These 3 names only you want. So 0 is Kavya, 1 is Kushi, 2 is Amit, and 3 is Sachin, 4 is Bhavya,
Nine.
then 6 will be Sujat. Here you can write 7 from continuous 7, 8, 9. But here we directly don't write 9 because if you write 9, it will be missed. You have to select next one 7 to 10. And we just execute that. You can see Suresh, Pooja, Shweta. But you want Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja, right? So here you can write instead of 6 to 9. Okay? Agree with that? समझ में आ रहा है?
So
Yes,
didn't
sir.
understand, sir.
Yeah?
Didn't understand.
Didn't understand. Tell me Kavya is what index number?
Zero.
For Kushi?
1,
For Amit,
2, 2,
Sachin,
3,
Bhavya,
4,
Sujit,
5,
Ramesh.
6.
Okay. Now, what I want actually from Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja, right? Correct, no? So, from 6 to continuously 9. 6 to 9. If I only write 6, what will come tell me? Ramesh only come, right? But I want Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. These three names I want. So 6 to 9. Ramesh is for what? 6. Suraj is for what? 7.
7,
Pooja for what? 8.
8.
But we have to select next number. Suppose here if I am selecting 6 to 8, then execute then Ramesh, Suresh only coming. Pooja is not coming. So make sure
Yes.
that we have to select next number. Okay. Done here. Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. Bhavya, you understand, huh? खुशी समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
खुशी
Yes, sir.
कुछ आ रहा है समझ में? जा रहा है कुछ?
आ रहे समझ में।
सच में आ रहा है? मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है। आ रहा है कि जा रहा है?
आ रहा है सर।
मुझे लगा सब जा ही रहा है, सब बाहर ही जा रहा है और कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारे लिए एग्जाम्पल तुम्हारे लिए एग्जाम्पल है, ठीक है? चलो अभी मुझे बताओ, पूजा, श्वेता, रम्या, इन तीनों के नाम चाहिए. सो व्हाट आई वांट दिस थ्री नेम्स, पूजा, श्वेता एंड रम्या. So who will tell the right answer, they will get a chocolate. Okay? So don't worry, I will order from them. Don't worry. You will get a chocolate compulsory. What I want actually, these three names I want. Pooja, Shweta, Ramya. So what will be the answer? You tell me. Answer I want, answer not silence, okay? इतना साइलेंस रहेगा तो कैसा होगा यार?
8 to 10.
पक्का? 8 to 10 देखते हैं कितना सही है. बट यार एक नेम मिस हो गया यार.
8 to 11. 8 to 11.
मैंने बोला था आपको वाला जो डिजिट लेनी है, नेक्स्ट डिजिट लेनी है. आगे देखो सारे नेम्स. अगर मैं in case I will do different way, okay? Can we go for minus actually? If I do students, then I use minus. Suppose minus 1 if I'll select, what I'll get? Ramya I'll get. Because why? How you go for the 0 1, same way for it is the last. Ramya is for minus 1, minus 2 for Shweta, minus 3 for Pooja. Do you agree with that? Hello?
Yes.
Suresh for what? Minus 4. Ramesh for what? Minus 5. Then minus 6, minus 7. This will also continue for this, the minus index number. And then tell me, if I do minus, how to do it? From minus 1 to minus 3, I will do that. How to do it then? And this will work? Not working actually. So what is the correct way then? What is the correct way?
minus 3 minus 1.
Let's see. Minus 3 minus 1. Okay, minus 4 minus 1. I got the same. Suresh, Pooja, Shweta. The last three names. Pooja, Shweta, Ramya. Pooja, Shweta, and Suresh is there. Okay. So Pooja is not getting. Mm. Mm. Pooja, Shweta, the last. Okay. If I do minus
So
1, if I
maybe
put the 0, if I put 0, let's see what will come. Nothing is coming. But can we do this way? Minus 3. Minus 3 is what? Pooja, Shweta, Ramya. So minus 3 continues this way. I am getting now same answer. Okay. So how I done this thing? I just put minus 3 continuously, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Whatever the numbers are there, showcase the same. It is showcasing. You put minus 4 here, from minus 4 onwards, it showcases all the names. Same answer, but different way. So, do you understand that? Same answer.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, guys, you understand or not. For you, what I'll do now, you understand or not, I will make a test for you, okay? Don't worry about that. Let's go for one by one example. Kavya, you'll tell this example now. If I'll put students, now tell me if at all I want Bhavya, Sujit, Suresh, and Pooja. Okay, from Bhavya to Pooja. Then what will you use actually?
Sorry, voice is not audible.
I want Bhavya, Sujit, Ramesh, Suresh, Pooja. These five names to be visible in my list, output list. So what you'll put the number here?
4 to 9.
Hey, don't tell Ra. Let them speak here. Ra. Every answer you want to telling them what they'll do. Ra. Okay. Anyway, now what I'll do now? I'll just add it here. How to add values in the list? Okay, how to add values in the list? Suppose if I want to if I want to add the values, example, I'll write append, APPEND, append dot. So here, what is it append here? Tell me. Append is a function actually. Do you agree with that? Hmm? Hmm?
Yes.
So students, first write students dot. You can see when when you write writing, just write dot append, clear, copy, count, index, pub. There are lot many functions are there. If you write append, just what name you want to add. Example, one student has been missed. That is Soundarya. Okay, Soundarya. I'll write execute now. So what is happened now? Why it is not executing? Tell me. Anyone just tell me why it is executing? What is the issue that? क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो रही है? खुशी, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दैट? Because here I am putting the capital S, but here I am putting the minus, the small s. If I only small s, I'll put that, then you can see. And here students dot append. Here again in the append, if you see students as not defined, students as not recognized actually. Now you can try it now. Still not getting now. One second. Click on students dot append. Here you can use append now, and here you can add a list actually. Okay. 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 Okay, ignore about this function now. It is not working. I will check that later actually. Okay. As of this much is understand now.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's create one more list actually. This time what we'll do now?
सर
Yeah.
सर ये अगले वाले में जो एरर आ रही थी ना उसमें हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट की जगह राउंड ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे। अगर राउंड ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे ना तो वो क्योंकि मतलब वो सब ऑब्जेक्ट जो होगा ना वो सब्सक्रिप्टेबल हो जाएगा, उससे रन हो रहा था।
Because actually here maybe I thought actually because of I'm using Google Colab it is not working that is why I feel actually. So for example students dot append here. So if we use the open bracket now, okay, and then if we write Suresh, then you can execute this one, and then it is working for you now. It is working for now. You can execute now students actually. Then you can showcase that we have added Suresh, but Suresh two names are there. We can change the name. Instead of Suresh you can add the Anmol. Okay, so one more name is added now. You can see Anmol, but this name will not be deleted. Okay, we have to delete that later. Okay, so this way we can add the names actually. But how you want to delete the numbers then? Yeah, students dot, you can see we have a remove option is there. So what do you want to remove? I want to remove that this Suresh actually. But you can see if you go here, if you just remove this here, this Suresh, this will be work, and you can see now. Okay, now search for students now and execute that. So that Suresh will be deleted now. Okay, there are two Suresh, but one Suresh has been deleted now. Okay, if you want to delete one more thing, students dot remove open bracket. Here we can use actually Anmol. You can execute now. This is also working now. Okay, you guys are doing right.
Yes.
So students, if we put a dot, there are lot many things also is there. Pop, remove, reverse, sort. Now tell me what is the sort then? What is the remove then? If it is a pop also do the same thing. Example, but pop it will remove the index number. You can see it will add the index number. So remove and return item at a index number. If it's a remove, I have to mention the value, but in the pop I have to mention the index number. Okay. Suppose example tell me what is the index number? What is the index number here for Puja? So what is the index number for Puja?
7 sir.
So if you mention 7 and execute the same, and you can see just add one more cell now, students. You can see. So Pooja has been removed now. Kavya, Kushi, Amit, Sachin, Bhavya, Sujit, Ramesh. But where is Pooja? Is removed because I use index number here. Using index number, we can remove it. And here in the remove, using value, we can remove. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now add the code now. Hmm? Okay. So pop is done, remove is done, and we also use append actually. Can we work for a number as well? Yes, we can work for number as well. How? Very simple. Suppose I have a marks, then I'll put a marks on 100, 200, 300, 203, then 303, then 102, then 321, okay, then 431, then 541, then 650, 600, 800, 900, 768, 890, and 690, okay, and then 997, then you can write here 908, then 129, then 320, okay, then 439, okay, so 567. So all the numbers I mentioned that. Then you are ready with that, I'll go next actually. So here actually, if I want marks, now tell me if I want to remove the 768, I can remove what way? I can remove two ways. Example, marks dot remove, and I'll put value, okay. So you can use open bracket, and you can here mention that. But here is not required single audible. Why? Tell me why it is not required that? Because this is a number, correct? Yes or no? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay, great. So what number I said? Tell me.
70, 76, 80.
Just click on execute now, and align the code now. Suppose this time 900 I want to remove, but I want to know the index number now. Marks dot pop. Okay. So what is the index number for 900? Hmm? Come on, fast.
11.
Okay, I'll write now. So you can see, and you can, if you want to execute that marks again, and you can just execute that, and that 900 value, it will be no more. If you're getting that, I'll challenge you that. Getting now that? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
And the code now. If I want to marks dot, now clear is there, copy is there, count is there. What is the count? Tell me.
Window values.
It is the return the number of occurrence value. Okay. What is that value? Tell me. Returns the number of occurrence value. Think about that. Hmm? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Now it is getting 900 for 0. Why? This is something interesting. You can try it. And also here this marks count you should explain tomorrow actually. Okay. And also one more thing here the marks tomorrow if you're not able to explain that I will explain it. Okay. So can you explain this one? Which one? The sort. Here I want sort reverse descending and ascending actually. Anyone tell me how to do it? Yeah. Tell me. If I want to sort, how to do sort then? Not this way also. If I sort now without putting anything here, I will just mention marks is equal to sort. So I'll write just code here and I'll search marks and I'll execute now. But surprisingly, you can see I'm getting first 100, but previously 100, 200, 300, then 203, then 203, and also 129 is here. But now after sorting here 100, 102, 129, then 200, so sorting correctly working actually. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If at all, do one thing. And one more thing, try as much as formulas actually. Now you can see, search for marks. Marks. Dot. You can see append means what? Tell me. Append means add it. Pop means what? Remove from the index. Remove from means remove the value. And what is the sort then? You can sort it. Still we have many functions are there where we can use from the list. I'll tell you that. Okay. You can search here Python list functions. Okay. And here again we have a lot of functions we have. One is append, we learned this now. Okay. One is a copy, where is the copy and paste it. One is a clear, means it will delete everything. Okay. And the output will be, it will delete. So now it is element. Example here is equal to a dot count. It is putting the 2 in the list. So what will put in the now? 2 only. Output is coming to. And also extend is it. Then index number, then insert. Okay. Now what is it? Insert actually. Insert an element in a specified position. Okay, how is the difference then? What is the use of append? Tell me. Anyone know? Now tell me first. What is the use of append? Tell me. Append. What is the use of append?
एलिमेंट को ऐड करने के लिए बेसिकली
Element को
लिस्ट
add
में.
करने के लिए. Correct. So to add element, or to add a value. Okay. Then next, what is the pop then? To remove element or to remove value using what? Index. Now next, what is the remove now? Hmm? What is the remove? To remove value from list. Correct, no? Then next, sort. Okay, to make a sort list, make a sort list. Then next, what is that? I just now use insert. What is the insert now? I can insert value at specific index. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Example, I'll add the code now. I'll write marks. I'll execute this one. So I'm getting this one. Okay. So I'll add the code now. Marks dot insert. Here you can see marks dot insert. Suppose if I am putting on second position. Okay. So what value you want to put? What value insert that? Can tell me? Can see insert at 2 and index is 1. So first is the index number. 0 is for 100, 1 is for 102, 2 is for 129. In the insert index 2, just mention that 146 and just execute this one. Okay, 1 second. What happened again? What we use square bracket, not the open bracket. So if we use the same bracket, this would happen actually. Now I can execute now. It is working for you now. I can search for marks now. I can execute now. Now I told you 0 for 100, 1 for 102. In this place what will come? 146 one. 100, 102, 146. On the second position is coming now. 146. Is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what they insert now. So you understand that what is the difference between the append, pop, remove, sort, insert. So this is what the list actually. A list here I can do multiple modifications. But here what is that? Still, if you want to learn in more deeply, you can learn it. Example, you can check out the different websites actually. Okay. So you can see pop is there, remove is there, reverse is there, then sort is there. Just now we done the sort actually. So you can use this kind of website to learn it. Okay. And mostly I'll try to showcase you for the free websites, which is not to take money. Is very easy and very easy to work actually. Now the device method. See, append methods. An element. If you want to take a screenshot also, it is very good for you. Okay, I will add this one. So in the future you can easily do it. So what we'll do now, we will add that same in the here actually. So yeah, here actually. And we will coming down, we will add this page, the screenshot, and we'll put it open. And second, this will come actually on 20. This kind of text will come definitely. So just scroll up, scroll up. Then you can just close it here automatically. Just close here actually. What happened? 1 second, guys. You can just close on that, it will work actually. Okay, for me I don't know what is working that. Okay, I got a button. Just scroll up first, close it. Now you can see when I close it, this is where it will work actually. Append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, pop, remove, reverse sort. See, I have some examples we solved actually. We're done with the append, we're done with the insert, done with the remove, done with the pop. Okay, then whenever you search, okay, this also is there actually. When you want to know that this is the list or not, what we are doing that, you can easily actually you can add the code actually. So you can add the code here and search here. Example, the list name is the students or marks. Tell me what is a marks actually. Marks is a list or not? Okay, so I'll write type. So type is what actually? It is a marks actually. I'll execute this one. Type is what? Marks list. So if you want to do the same example again, type in the sense it will tell you the data type. Okay, either it's a string or integer or a float or a complex or a string. So now I'm searching students actually. Students. I'm putting the students here and just executing now. This is also list. It will tell you this type actually. Okay. Type of data type. Okay. So this is what how much is covered now. This much is we are covered. If you have any doubts, you can tell me. We'll stop here then. Okay. Any doubts is there?
No, sir.
You want the file, guys? This file, the Python notebook file.
हाँ सर, ग्रुप में शेयर कर दो बस और
ठीक है, मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ. बट अभी तक तुम्हें क्या क्या
ठीक
समझ में आया? हमने we are done with the append, pop, insert, remove, sort. This much is done. We created a list and we understand that how we can modify it. Okay, clear now? So I'm
Yes,
sharing
sir.
in the group also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is it? Python batch, right? I'm sharing the group now. Okay. Okay, I will share you guys later then. Sure then, guys. Thank you so much for that.